Welcome back to Origami videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this paper Christmas tree. All you're gonna need is a piece of paper and scissors. If you have two-sided piece of paper that has the same color, it doesn't matter with which side you start. But if you have a paper that has one color on one side and it's white on the other side, you will start with the white color facing up. We'll fold our paper on the middle lines. Now we'll open it, turn it around, and we will also fold our paper on the diagonals. Now we will open it, face the white side up, and we will take the diagonals and just fold them in so that we make a diamond, and we press it down. Next we will take one flap to the middle and we'll just open it and press it down so that this upper line is aligned with the bottom line. Now we'll fold it in half and we will take one flap from the bottom and take it to the other side. Here, when you open it, you need to make sure that this line is also together. And we will do this on all of the flaps. And on the last one. Now we will take our scissors and cut the paper on this line. And we will also cut the lines for the branches here, 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 and here. You can cut them 4 times, 5 times, as many as you want. And you can cut it a few millimeters or centimeters, depends on your paper, away from the middle line. Now we'll cut the same lines on the other side. You can look it, adjust it, maybe go in some more on other branches if you like. And now the cutting process is over. And we will start with folding the branches of our tree. You will take one flap and we will fold this in a diagonal, so from this line where we cut it to the point that we folded. I have one trick where I put my fingernail in the corner, take one flap and just push it and fold it over. This fingernail will help me that the point is very pointy and very precise. And just fold all of the branches. And the last one. And now that we folded one side, we turn it over, press it down, and we fold the next one, and do this to all of them. Don't forget to take the papers from the bottom to the other side. And fold the last one. Now that all of the branches are folded, we just play with it so that none of them are sticking together. And once we are happy with our position of all of the sides, then we made our paper Christmas tree.